how to turn on flight notifications on Hawaii Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can turn on flight notifications on Hawaii Airlines, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to download the Hawaii Airlines application. Then after you've downloaded it, just click on the application and open up the application. And after you've done that, once you're on board the flight, switch your device to airplane mode. And how do you do that? Go to the top part of the screen and pull down your notification bar. Then you can now click on airplane mode to switch it on. And after you've turned on your airplane mode, go to your Wi-Fi and then click on it to put it on. Then after the Wi-Fi is turned on, you connect to movies on Hawaii Air Wi-Fi network. Just connect that. After connecting it, close your notification bar, open your Hawaii Airlines application, then select more, go to the lower right corner of the screen, click on the more option, and then go ahead and click on in-flight entertainment. So once you've clicked on in-flight entertainment, on this page you'll see different options. You also see the options for you to opt in for flight status notification. Once you can see that, you can decide to turn it on or turn it off. And then once you turn it on, you can also manage notifications by going into your device's settings, other notification. That is, you'd have to leave this app, go to your device, turn on notifications, and then turn on Hawaii Airlines application notifications. And then from there, you can enjoy your flight with Hawaii Airlines and stay informed with real-time notifications. But this is how it works, okay? This is how you can turn on flight notifications on Hawaii Airlines. Thanks for watching and have a good day.